Facebook Ads course by Career Development College London. It doesn't matter if you run a well-established business or you are managing a startup. It doesn't matter how much of a budget you're working with. Like it or not, and believe it or not, the main way you can make people become aware of your company's brand, and eventually consume the products or services your company offers, is through advertising. Free advertising doesn't exist. Let's put it this way, you can't be in two places at once. If you're spending all this time and effort trying to brand and promote your business the free way, what if you did something else that produces 10 times the result? You cannot ignore Facebook ads. Here's where our advice for you comes in. You will understand why to use Facebook ads. You will also know the downside of Facebook advertising. You will find out about the technology behind it. You will be able to leverage its highly sophisticated social snooping and personal profiling technology. You will learn step by step the different ad opportunities currently available on the Facebook ad platform. To make it easy, we have put together a step-by-step guide that will show you exactly how it's done. Facebook ads. The beginner's guide to advertising on the Facebook platform. No stones are left unturned when you get your hands on this now. You will become a complete expert on this, and you'll get everything you need inside to do the same. Here's just a quick preview of what you'll discover inside. Why choose Facebook ads? The basics you need to know before creating your first Facebook ad campaign. How does Facebook's ad system operate? How to get started on your Facebook ad marketing campaign. Create your Facebook page and account. Use the Facebook Ads Manager. Create a Facebook advertising campaign. Create your ad. Monitor your campaign carefully. Effective Facebook advertising tips and ideas. Plus, a whole lot more. This is the easiest way to actually produce 10 times better results with Facebook ads. Who needs this step-by-step guide? If you answer yes to any of the below, you need this. You want to produce 10 times better results with traffic generation. You want to learn Facebook advertising the right way. You want to leverage the highly sophisticated social snooping and personal profiling technology Mark Zuckerberg brought to the table. You want to figuratively get in the head of your target audience. You want to show ads that match the concerns, fears, and needs of your target audience. Does this sound like exactly what you need? But maybe your next question is, how much? If you were going to hire an expert on this, to show you how it's done, you could easily find yourself investing hundreds of dollars for this sort of coaching. In fact, many people invest hundreds and thousands of dollars to get into coaching programs or attend workshops. But, you won't have to invest anywhere near that today. And it just keeps getting better. When you make the wise decision to grab this today, you'll also get these fast action discount. Try this course on our dime. There's no risk. There are a lot of people that claim to offer a solution on how to produce better results by using Facebook ads, so it's understandable if you're a little skeptical. We can keep telling you just how great our guide is, but you really need to go through it and see for yourself what it's all about to know if it's for you. Thank you so much for taking the time to take a look at this extremely limited offer that has the potential to help you produce 10 times better results by using Facebook ads the right way. I'll see you on the inside. Enroll today. To register, visit www.careerdevelopmentcollege.uk.